so grown up. Why can't you just stop and listen? Let's do what I want. On Monday, wanna hang out with friends. Tuesday, I will try all the best cakes. Get out the way, you'll have a taste of the season. Can't feel my
Hey Colin, what's one thing you've learned being a rookie on this team?
One thing I learned is I know how to now make pins. Very fun, very cool indeed. If you get to make a pin, you can wear it with honor and pride, and it supports our team because if we sell them, well then we make money and we can support it.
This just gotta bite, don't you know?